Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV T5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications like so, and then extend the list of toggles. And in here, we're obviously looking for the Do Not Disturb, which is visible on the first page. Now, if you can't see it on the same place as it is for me, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Anyway, once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, you probably might want to navigate into the settings to customize it, which you can do quickly by holding the toggle. And as you can see, this redirects us to the settings. In here, you can select who can call you, message you, select schedules, and also what happens when you press on the toggle, and also how notifications are being displayed. Once that's all set, you can just close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on it to enable it manually, and you can also tap on it once more to turn it off. Now, there is one thing that I recommend selecting if you are the person that turns it on manually, which is in the settings. You have this option right here, duration for quick settings, and in here you can select it to be on a timer. So for instance, you can select something like 4 hours, and whenever you enable your Do Not Disturb mode, it will turn on for exactly 4 hours, and after that time it will automatically turn off. Now, the reason I recommend selecting this is, at least for me, I'm basing this on myself. I would enable it and then forget about it, which would make the Do Not Disturb mode run indefinitely till I remember about it and turn it off myself. But with this setting being enabled or set as it is, I can forget about it, and when I do, the phone will remember to turn it off after 4 hours, which is a pretty nice option to have enabled, at least for me. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.